Darling here, and today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing for October of 2021. I'm super excited. I always love this time of month. It's my favorite time of the month. If you do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription. It's $25 a month for the base box. They have a Boxy Premium, which is $35 a month, and then they have a Boxy Luxe, which is $49 in like 98 cents, but it's going to go up this month, like this next one that's coming around, and it'll be like an extra $10 if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that. I think that's what they said. They said that it is going up. So I don't think it's going up on the base box because it's already went up on the base box because it used to be 21 and it went from 21 to 25. But okay, let's just get right into this. Let's see. I opened up the tape, but I haven't looked at all inside. So the Boxy theme this month is Spellbound. That's going directly in the trash because I don't mess with spells because it's an abomination to the Lord. Okay, so I'm going to throw that away. The first thing that's in the box is this right here. And this is Treslusu. I don't even know how to say that. It's this. And this retails for $27. Let's see what it is. Okay, so they're brushes. They are brushes. Okay, so it comes with 3 different brushes, and these are all just like blending brushes. It looks like it's goat hair, which are good because they don't like deposit too much product. So it has like a big blending brush, which is like for the full crease. They have like, this one actually should be actually a little shorter. It would have made it better, but it's a little smaller, which would be like more for the outside. And they have this one for more precision. And then this one, which is slightly angled. So 4 brushes, so I'm super excited. I like the color. It's like a bluish purple, like a really dark blue with like a purple undertone. Because if I look this way, they look purple, but if I look in the light, they look like a deep blue. So super nice. So that was the first thing that was in the box. The next thing in the box is this right here, and it is by Ace Beauty, and it's Falling For You. That's beautiful. I love the packaging on this. Super pretty. And this retails for $34.99, so $35. I think we've gotten Ace Beauty in the box before. Ooh, these are really pretty. So this is what the palette looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a few of these colors to kind of see the pigmentation on them. Let's try this nice pink shade. Really pretty. Let's go with this maroon shade. So really nice. That one's probably buildable. Let's try a shimmer shade. Let's go with this one. I'm just putting it right there. That one's a little chalky, but it's really, really glitter. But I bet if you wet it, yeah, it's already building up. It's a little better. Okay, I'm gonna try this gold shade right here. Ooh. As you can see, that's really pretty. It's really glittery though. I mean, it picked up a lot. It's not really, that's really pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to try one more shade since I got one on my finger. I'm gonna try this shade right here. That's really pretty. Ooh, look at that. Super pigmented. Okay, so that is the shades that come with this. Like I said, $35, $34.99. Pretty cool. I love that. I love the packaging of that. Super pretty. Okay, the next thing that's in the box are some lashes. I believe this was the choice that I chose. And they are Mary Lashes. Okay, so these are the Mary Lashes, and they retail for $25. And as you know, I like to glue my lashes underneath my lashes, so I'll have to do those with this. I already did try on the MAC ones, and I wanted to record me doing it with those, but it was on a Saturday and I wasn't home when I applied them, so I wasn't able to actually record that. So hopefully I won't be busy on the day that I apply these. It just depends when these lashes decide to fall off. I applied these ones yesterday, but I've already applied these ones before, so I didn't actually record it. But I don't know if I said how much this retails for. It retails for $25, so awesome that we got that. I love lashes. If you know anything about me, I love lashes. Okay, so the next thing that's in the box is this thing right here, and it is by Tarte, and it is Wink of H2O. So this is an under eye cream, and it retails for $35. I'm not going to open it yet because I already have other eye creams that I'm actually using, but I love Tarte, so I'm super excited to try this out. Super excited to have that in the box. And there is one more thing in the box, and it is this right here, and it is by Apparel, and it is a adhesive liquid liner in jet black, and this retails for $29, so 30 bucks. Trying to open it. The hard part is opening this. They decide to stick stickers, and if you know anything about having fake nails, it's really hard to open things. So, okay, so for 30 bucks, what does this look like? Okay, so it's a felt tip. And it actually looks really good. I can always tell, like, kind of how eyeliner is going to be. If you swipe it across your hands and it bleeds into the crease, like the cracks of your hand, it's usually not going to be a good eyeliner. But that one actually did not. And it looks like you can actually fade it out, like if you wanted to smudge it. So pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and tally all this up, and I'll give you the total price of this month's box. So the total value of this month's box was $150.99 for the variation I got. I got the variation C211003/BA, and let me see if it says the weight of the box. So I do not know the weight of the box for sure. If I can find it on the tracking, I will put it in the description box down below. If I can't, sometimes I cannot find it, then it won't be there. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.